Can I just say to Jenna Haley, thank God you came back because my hands have been so dry. My feet, my legs, my arms, but especially my hands. I don't know about you, but if you've been doing this lately, it's because your hands are dry. They might be chapped. They might be cracked. You might have eczema or psoriasis. I'm telling you, this is what you need. It's called First Aid Beauty. It's clean beauty for the first thing. Now, listen to this. Don't listen to that. Sorry.
It's a remix. We all know it's dry skin season.
That was not what I meant to do. What I was going to do was say, listen to this. These jars, you're going to get both jars. Sorry. You're going to get both jars. They're normally $70 each, and you're going to get both for $60. That to me, I mean, it should be $140. You're getting it for $60. That's less than half price. Jenna, take it away.
How are you? So good to see you.
I'm doing much better. I was sick all last week.
Oh
it's
my
still
goodness.
In the chest. You
Tis
know how
the
it is.
season though, right?
Yes.
We're catching colds, we're in more, dry skin is happening, itchy skin is happening. And First Aid Beauty is to the rescue with our Ultra Repair Cream. This is our head to toe. That's right, you can use this on the face and the body for dry, itchy, scaly skin, even eczema, even psoriasis.
I mean, it feels so good. And the fact is, it's not just your typical moisturizer. That's the whole key.
Yes, this is, we like to say, demand more from your moisturizer, right?
Yes.
Because we think of hydration as, oh, it's just kind of the last step I do in every routine. No, your hydration should be a transformative step in your skincare routine that can really, you'll see in our before and afters, transform your skin from dry and flaky to comforted and soothed.
That's true. Let's show you the before and after. A lot of you are going to be able to relate.
That dry, flaky skin in the before, that is so many of us dealing with dry skin. After 2 weeks of twice daily use, skin is transformed to soft, touchable, smooth, and look how much more comfortable that skin looks.
Oh my goodness, look at this. That's painful to look at.
Yes, it's painful, and especially redness on the skin can be embarrassing. And for so much of us, you see this before and after, it looks like she's wearing a bit concealer there, right? But no, this is just hydration that is soothing the skin.
Oh gosh, that I totally could get.
Absolutely. You know? It's so relatable. This is for anyone who works with their hands or any of us who are doing great in this cold and flu season and washing our hands.
Right, exactly.
Our skin is drying out.
That's right.
And we really need that colloidal oatmeal in this product that's going to help soothe the skin.
There are two scents. There's original, which is unscented, and then there's also warm vanilla. Now, if you want the original, which is unscented, we only have 350 sets to go around. And warm vanilla, 150 sets. So now, quickly go place your order. Can I remind you, one of these is $70. You're going to get two for $60. Instead of putting them at $70 each, you're basically paying $30 each. That's less than half price. Now, who exactly is this for? I mean, we say everybody.
Yes.
But I got to just tell you, let's talk about eczema and psoriasis.
Yes. So eczema and psoriasis are really like the extreme of extreme for dry, flaky, scaly skin.
Right.
But even those with dry, sensitive skin, the symptoms can look very similar. So this is for someone who, if you're hydrating and your skin is still itchy, it's still flaking, and you really want more from your moisturizer to really help soothe the skin and see immediate and long-term relief, try Ultra Repair Cream.
I'm telling you, now this, by the way, just so you know, we're talking no artificial fragrance in it.
Yep.
No artificial colors, no parabens, which is why it meets QVC's clean beauty standards. That right there tells me that it's better than a lot of things that are out there. But the fact that it's thick, you know, I snapped my fingers after I put it on my hands to show you it's not greasy. It's actually absorbing very quickly.
Exactly. People, we were just talking backstage, people stopped me and said, I can't believe it. It got rid of my flaky skin, but it doesn't feel sticky. It doesn't feel greasy.
Doesn't
it's really,
smell medicinal.
It doesn't smell medicinal, doesn't feel medicinal. This is really lightweight hydration, but it's giving you intense hydration to see a difference in your skin.
By the way, I just want to let you know, this gets the seal of approval from the National Eczema Association and the National Psoriasis Foundation. Now, granted, like we said, it's getting the seal of approval because if you had that, those are the extremes. You don't have to have that to use this. What this is doing, what we're saying, is that this is working for them. So if you don't even have that, this is definitely going to work for you. But the whole idea is dry skin can be, like one of my girlfriends, she's like, my skin is drier than anybody's skin.
Right.
And I'm like, you need First Aid Beauty.
Yes.
I mean, seriously, I've given her some jars of this.
Yes.
Because it's that important. I've given this to my daughter-in-law who has super dry skin. My daughter has super dry skin. You don't have to be older like me to have dry skin.
Everyone struggles with dry skin, any points of life. We have some teenagers who love this because they start with an acne medication that then dries out their skin.
Good point.
We have some people who have kind of like this onset dryness on the eyelids, on the fingertips, and they need that hydration, but they don't want it to interrupt their routine by feeling sticky. But these results really speak for themselves.
Now, first of all, we'll look at these before and afters. That's after 2 weeks of using it, once or twice a day, right? Now take a look at another one. I mean, which would you rather have? And obviously this is, blown up. But what I want to remind you is we don't have many of these to go around, and this is a phenomenal price. In the original unscented, fewer than 200 sets remain. In the warm vanilla, which we, there's nothing artificial in that scent. It just smells good. But we have 100 sets left. That's it. 100 sets left at this price. Normally $70 a jar. You're getting them for $30 a jar. That's why you want to dive in and get these. There's no auto delivery being offered. Jenna, I am so glad you came.
So great to see you.
Thank you so much. Love it. Now, by the way, we do have the